Y'all, it's H Simone, lips popping, skin glowing, energy flowing, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, oh my gosh, my voice is cracking. Don't worry about that. But as you can tell by the title, we're doing another Curlbox video. If you don't know, then if you don't know, get to know. But if you don't know, I'm gonna let you know. I do Curlbox a lot on my channel, not too much, but a lot. I love them. I support them. They are black owned and they're really nice. And it's really like good, affordable products for the low. And if you're not in tune, what are you doing? If you are a natural hair person, check out Curlbox, okay? Link will be in the description. This is not sponsored, of course, but I'm gonna support them like I'm sponsored because, like, this is great. I just love this idea. I love what she did. This is a good company. Come on now, support. And yeah, so this is a subscription. This is actually a monthly subscription box. So for the month of, I think it was for April. Yeah, because now it's May and I got it a couple weeks ago. So yeah, this is for April. Cute little card. This is the promo picture they have. I always love it. Like, one day hopefully I can be in here because it is so cute. And now, what's in this box? I just want to get to the box. Let me show you what they give you, what they gave me before the box. I've told you this is a subscription, so I don't know if they're still gonna give it like this because now it's up on the site as a non-subscription box, like the products that are in here. But I don't know if like this stuff is in here. So this is what this subscription people got. Fabric scarf, which is I love me a wrap. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna do a how to wrap video maybe. Not how to wrap, I do know how to wrap, but how to wrap a scarf. And then some jumbo conditioning caps, which is nice. If you don't know, I already have some from the Evolve box. I'll link it up in the icon. They gave me those like only a couple months ago, and I still got some of those. But now I got some more. So I got that. That was outside the box. And now into the box. Oh, why did you see by that? If you didn't notice, this says Cantu. And if you don't know, Cantu is a little controversial. Or it has been for me. I used Cantu. Well, I tried to use Cantu when I first became natural and stuff, which is like about 5, maybe 6 years ago. And it was just not good for my hair personally. Like the O-line that they had, horrible. Like literally my hair felt so dry when I shampooed it and when I conditioned it. Like my hair just felt like stripped. You ever felt your hair just feeling stripped? Like it literally just felt weak. And then like the leave-in was cool-ish. I did use like the hair mask, mystical stuff. So like they had certain things, but shampoo, conditioner, like that's like the main thing that I need. And it was horrible. But I guess they have came back and they're running it back and they got, new products. And I'm going to show y'all that and hopefully it's better, So, I'm a little on the fence. But I've been seeing people that I trust with their natural hair posting it. So, here's what's in this one. That's the pre-poo. I love how they did this. They're very smart, very smart. Because, this is oil. You don't want it leaking everywhere. Put it in a little bag. Come on now. And I love the colorway. Like, of course, I love yellow. That's probably why I tried it at first when I was younger. I was like, oh, it's a cute yellow brand and it's natural. But now they have, what's it called? Revamped their things. They got this guava and ginger line. So hopefully the stuff is better. Got this. Whew, I'm really ready. Hopefully. I believe in it though. I haven't seen no reviews yet though. But I believe Cantu, you're gonna do better. Please. And then this. So yeah, all 5 of those items is what I got on hair products, and then the 2 accessories is what I got. And yeah, I'm gonna pre-poo, of course. As you see, my hair looking crazy. Just wanna do a pre-poo. I'm gonna go section by section and stuff. Then I'm hop in the shower, come back, and we'll do it. But y'all see me after I pre-poo, I guess. I'll show you my pre-poo and I put my, I won't put a cap on yet. And I'll do condition too, off camera. So, see ya when I'm pre-pooed, washed, conditioned, and ready to style my hair.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since
as you can see, the conditioner in my hair, cap on. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I was going on to show y'all the conditioner with the cap on. Hey y'all, back from the shower now. As you can see, I just want to show y'all my hair loss so y'all can see, you know, that the steps that you take really make a difference. Because I wish I had pictures. I don't know if I have pictures. I don't think I do. I think it's a little weird. I don't really take pictures of them. But I had pictures. I mean, I used to have hair loss from like washing my hair when I was like before, like as I was transitioning before I got all these tips and stuff, and used all my tips that used to be like huge. Well, not huge, but like bigger than this. So this is the one before the shower. So my, like, you know, pre-shower, the pre-poo detangling. That's that. Not bad. I'll throw that away. And then this is in the shower. Even from the brush too. From the tangle teaser. Like, look at this. This is good. And that's from a week's worth of shedding. And yeah. So now I'm gonna use, oh, and I use these two just for reference in the shower. Oh, let me talk about the product a little bit. So just a quick little thing about the products. Shampoo, yeah. Put some respect on Cantu's new line. They have definitely rebranded themselves and made up for the hard times. Cause this good. Hair was soft. This conditioner has a really good slip. I like that. And it has really good products in it too. It says guava. Of course, the guava and ginger that they line. And then they have rice water and rice protein in here. So good stuff. Like I said, shampoo did not strip my hair off. Felt really nice. Good. And yeah. So now I'm gonna show you how I use this. And like I said, remember I told you in the last video about LCO? LCO really is like, it's like an everyday thing. It's really good for you. It can be in like anything. Like here I got to do my liquid. Got my liquid water in my hair, lotion, cream, and then treatment oil, like treatment serum oil. Like the LCO just be coming out all the time. So yeah, and I'm just gonna get right into it.
recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you.
Alright, before I part my hair, I forgot to say, I want to mention this whole line, and I was like, just remember because of this, smells so good. Like, it smells like, I guess probably what guava and ginger smell like. Like, it really smells like nice, sweet. And I don't know about y'all, but I like hair products that like got a nice smell to it. So, you know, people are like, oh, your hair smells good. Like, that's one of my compliments. I mean, one of my favorite compliments. So, I just want to pop in and say that. Back to the style.
Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Alright, I'm back now. As you see, my hair is completed. See, I got a little heart in there again. Had some fun. As you already know, finished it off, and you should finish it off with the treatment serum. Nice little oil. The oil has guava, ginger, of course, carrot oil, tea tree oil, and yeah, and it's really good. We'll see how good it is. It feels nice in my head. I'll let you know anything else on my IG. I'm sure you're here for my IG, so I will put on the scarf, but you know, check out my Instagram. Well, my Instagram will come out before this, so you'll see that on my page. And if you're here from that, hey. And yeah, that's about it. Nothing really else to say. Products were great. Told y'all products smell good. Products feel good. This new Cantu line, okay? I mean Cantu line, they did that, okay? They did that. Cantu, don't play with Cantu in their new collection. Period. But thank you for tuning in to the realest. I'ma vibe. If you wanna vibe, subscribe.